Yeah, I'll get the 7-foot Pete statue done by tomorrow. Yes, of course I know what he looks like. He's the guy with the hard hat and the tool thing and the thing with the weird chin, right? All right, cool. I got another call coming in. I'll talk to you later. There's always so much to do. All right, who's calling me next? What was that noise? Oh no, my overpriced and expensive phone that I did not pay the overpriced and expensive warranty on. Damn it, what the hell am I supposed to use to procrastinate now? I mean, I can always try repairing it myself, but actually, you know what? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna repair my old phone instead of just buying a new one. I'm a goddamn genius! Oh crap, not again. Well. So you wanted to commit an act of repairing your own device. Now, what is this place? Where the hell am I? As I was saying, you wanted to repair your own device. Why the hell am I tied up right now? What? Did you tie me up? I have no idea what you are. Why the hell did you tie me up? Look, man, I really don't know what the hell you're going on about right now, but you're not even tied. Oh, wait a minute, I'm not even tied up. My arms are just... Oh my god, they made me drag in a natural moron. So, like, exactly what is going on right now? I would very much like to go back to repairing my phone so I can save money on repairing my own phone. Yeah, which I was trying to say, no. Don't do that. Why? I don't know. We just said no, don't do that. Okay, that's cool and all, but like... What? Actually, why? Plenty of reasons. Like, money. And, money. Okay, so those were some great points to give to your shareholders or whatever, but, the thing is, I'm just gonna say no to everything you just said. Excuse me, I don't think you really understand the situation you're in right now. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? You're not gonna paper cut me, are you? If you're gonna do that, at least do it with money. I'm gonna move over here. Where the hell is he going? You're supposed to be hostage in the chair right now. Okay. Yeah, whatever. As we all know, phones have become a normal part of our everyday lives, but sadly, over time, these phones have been costing us more and more. And despite us paying this extra cost for our phones, to many companies, we don't actually own them. And because these companies don't think we actually own our own phones, they think we shouldn't be allowed to fix our own phones by ourselves. And if we try, these phones become more and more locked down to the point where we can't even use them anymore. For example, let's say you have a house and your toilet breaks. Now normally, you'd be able to just get a replacement part on your own or have someone come in and fix it for you, or you can just replace the entire toilet yourself. But now, what happens if I were to tell you if you wanted to fix your own toilet, you weren't allowed to do it by yourself, but instead you had to find the original person who made your house and then have them come in and fix your toilet for you, and then you had to pay them 2 to 3 times the amount of money to have it fixed. Or let's say you have a car and you need to get your oil changed. Now, normally you could do it yourself or take it to a shop and have them do it for you. But what happens if I were to tell you that no, you're not allowed to do that, and if you did try to do that, your car will just stop working and will continue to stop working until you take that car back to the original makers of that car, and then they will have to do the exact same thing you or that shop just did, but instead for a much higher cost. Or they will just tell you your car is too old and you'll be forced to buy a new one. And that is exactly what is happening with our phones right now. The moment we break our phones and then try to fix our phones on our own, it gets locked down to where we can't fix it anymore without losing something. And then we'll be forced to buy a new one or be stuck with a less working phone. Which leads into the question of, why can't we just, fix the old one and just keep it working? Because here's the thing, by not allowing us to fix our own phones, it just takes up more time, money, creates more trash in the world, which many of these companies are trying to fix by going green. And there's no reason for not allowing us to fix our own phones other than these people just trying to control us. So, why? Man, that was a great AI-generated speech about an issue that clearly does not exist at all. Because here's the thing, and that would be, while pretty much everything you just said is entirely true, okay, and the thing is, we get less money by you doing that, so everything you just said, no. We're just gonna put a pin in that, and we're just gonna say no. So, you want to buy a new phone?